Hello guys, this is Amit from YourIndianCity.com. Today I will show you the most beautiful place in Delhi, Lodhi Garden. This place is very famous for its beauty, and here you can see a lot of trees, flowers and birds, and many people came here for rest and karate practice and yoga.
Welcome to Lodhi Garden, a serene oasis in the heart of New Delhi, where history and nature come together to create a mesmerizing experience.
Join us as we take a journey through this iconic landmark, exploring its rich history, architectural marvels, and the natural beauty that makes it a must-visit destination. Lodhi Garden, spread across 90 acres, is not just a park, but a historical treasure. It was originally established during the 15th and 16th centuries by the Lodhi dynasty. The garden is home to several historical tombs and monuments that reflect the architectural brilliance of the Sayyid and Lodhi rulers. These structures were built as a tribute to the rulers and are an important part of India's medieval history. The garden was renovated in 1936 by the British, who gave it the current landscape form. It was then named Lady Willingdon Park after the wife of the then Viceroy of India. After India gained independence, it was renamed Lodhi Garden. As you stroll through the garden, you'll encounter several stunning monuments. The key attractions include the Gumbad, Shisha Gumbad, Mohammed Shah's tomb, and Sikander Lodhi's tomb. Each of these structures tells a story of the past. Bada Gumbad, meaning Big Dome, is a gateway leading to a mosque and a guest house. Its intricate Indo-Islamic architecture is a sight to behold. Shisha Gumbad, or the Glass Dome, gets its name from the remnants of blue glazed tiles that once adorned its surface. Muhammad Shah's tomb, built in 1444, is a perfect example of the early Mughal architectural style, with its octagonal design and striking chhatris. Sikander Lodhi's tomb, another masterpiece, is surrounded by a moat, giving it a distinct charm. Apart from its historical importance, Lodhi Garden is a haven for nature lovers. With over 100 species of trees, numerous birds, and picturesque water features, it's the perfect spot for a peaceful retreat. It's also a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. You'll find people jogging, practicing yoga, or simply relaxing with a book. The garden is ideal for family picnics, photography, and even birdwatching. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or someone looking for a quiet escape, Lodhi Garden has something for everyone. Planning a visit? Here's what you need to know. Timings. Lodhi Garden is open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, and the entry is completely free. How to reach? The garden is located in the Lodhi Estate area of Delhi, near Khan Market. The nearest metro station is Jailen Stadium on the Violet Line. Alternatively, you can take an auto rickshaw or cab. Here are a few tips to make the most of your visit. Do's. Carry a water bottle, sunscreen, and comfortable footwear. Bring a camera to capture the beauty of the garden. Respect the monuments and natural surroundings. Don'ts. Avoid littering. Use the bins provided. Do not climb on or damage the monuments. Avoid loud music or activities that disturb others. So, whether you're a Delhi local or a traveler exploring the city, Lodhi Garden is a must-visit destination that offers a blend of history, culture, and tranquility. Come, explore, and create unforgettable memories.
And guys, for such informative videos, please follow me on my social handles, which is available mentioned in these videos. If you need any help, if you want to travel somewhere in Delhi, please contact to me +919899633546 and visit my website www.yourindian22.com, and thanks for watching.